Everyone, welcome to our post-game press conference. Congratulations to the US Eagles Tigers for beating the Tenerife Blue Eagles 98 to 89 in triple overtime. We have assistant coach Juno Soler, Chelo Crisostomo, Jorge Patrigao, and Nika Maria. First, Coach Juno, welcome back. Nice to see you again. Congratulations for this victory. Your thoughts about this classic of the game tonight? What can you say?
Triple overtime, throw away the numbers, it was all hard from both teams. I have to give credit also to the players of Ateneo. Both teams, we have players going down already because of fatigue and cramps, but we fought all the way. No one wanted to give up, so it just boiled down really last quarter, the team that would be making shots.
Thank you. To Nick, you have 22 points, 11 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals, and plus 30. Grabe yung dinaanan yung this season, this game. So ano yung masasabi mo sa grit na pinakita ng Growling Tigers para talunin nyo yung atay sa kanilang Blue Eagles?
Yun nga, may advantage sila dahil home court nila that hindi namin iniisip yun eh. Home court namin, home court nila. Ang iniisip lang talaga namin is kaya namin manalo for this game. And hindi naman mangyayari yun dahil sa tiwala at tulungan ng every players and coaches.
Thank you. To Jello, he had a solid game of 18 points, 17 rebounds, 4 assists. So, yun nga, very crucial yung mga baskets mo nung regulation dahil itong overtime. So, ano masasabi mo na yung nga naikawin nyo yung atin nila at sa home court pa nila? Jello, ano masasabi mo?
Sinabi na bulat ni
Joke lang. Wag.
Napakaganda po itong laro na to na lumabas lahat ng laro po namin, and then na rin po ito namin na parang bawi na rin po namin ito last season na natalo rin po kami sa home court po namin.
Set, okay, to board, yeah, 20 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists. So ano yun na sa Blue Eagles Gym pa yung first of possibly yung mga remaining games mo against Ateneo. So ano masasabi mo na yung nga nanalo kayo rito sa home court nila?
Just happy na the team showed heart kanina, which led us to the win earlier. Pero wala talagang paguran yung game kanina, and all we needed to do was show our heart and show our grit, and it paid off ng dulo. But yeah, grabe yung, even with Ateneo, grabe yung with our respect with them kasi they've been battling din with us especially nung 3 overtimes. So yun, just, I wanna rest.
Okay, questions first fertilized into the players. So to Jello, to Nick, and Port. So go ahead, guys. Players muna.
Port, obviously, homecoming. Medyo gigil lang simula, all trouble nga agad. But can you take us through this game for you and hitting those big shots down the stretch?
I think I just needed to do my job or my role sa team namin in this ball game. And I think wala naman ako ibang special na iniisip or ginawa, nothing personal for me. I just wanted to treat it as another game kasi we want to win this game kasi it will be crucial for us. Kaya, ayun, happy na talagang nanalo kami. Talagang pagod lang talaga kami. Yeah.
But you're trying to expect more moves from Ateneo?
Sorry.
Do you expect moves from Ateneo?
No. Coming to this game, no. I think I have good friends with Ateneo. They watch, they ask tickets from me. So I think wala akong ina-expect na buo ever.
What were the emotions na lang after the game? Obviously, beyond na the overtime shot for you personally na naman yung homecoming siya. So, ano na naman mo after the game personally?
Umiyak na lang ako kasi pagod na talaga ako eh. Gusto ko na lang talaga matapos yung game. Yun lang. Kaya ako napaiyak na talaga kasi pagod na talaga ako. Yun lang talaga.
Together for you, possibly the greatest game of your life so far to say ano lang masasabi mo sa progression ng performance mo so far with Chris kasi dati second string ka lang pero ngayon isa ka sa inaasahan coach nito.
Siyempre, masaya ako na nakakatulong ako sa team, and then
Tapos yung games namin na pangit nga nung mga laro ko, and then give yung mga teammates ko na tumutulong sa akin na hayaan ko lang yung mga laro ko na pangit, basta isipin ko lang yung gameplay.
Nung first 2 overtimes, medyo may costly misses ka down the stretch, pero nung third overtime, ikaw yung nagsimula, yung run niyo kung makalayo sa atin ngayon. Paano ka lang naging compose despite na yung parang medyo may nagawa kang mistakes ng first 2 overtimes?
Well, players talaga during the game, magkakamali talaga kami. So, may lapses man ako, may lapses man ng teammates ko. But well, tagal na ako sa UAP eh. Kailangan compose pa rin. Tsaka hindi namin iniisip na pagod. Iniisip namin panalo.
Last season, yung Ateneo pumunta sa Q-Pub, tinalo nila kayo doon. Ano ang feeling makapagbawi dito naman yan? So, ano ang feeling makabawi sa kanila dito naman sa home court?
Ano lang, umiyak kami lahat dahil sa sobrang pagod kanina eh. Kaya ang sarap sa feeling na umabot kami sa first time natin lahat, no? Third overtime in UAP. So, alam mo yung feeling na sobrang nakapagod pero sobrang saya namin pagkatapos.
Home court nga ng Ateneo pero ang dami pa rin sa USD na sumuporta. Ano naman sabi mo dun sa nag-show up sila para sa'yo?
Thank you sa USD community, even na ang layo dito sa Ateneo, pumunta from Espanya to dito sa Katipunan. Thank you, thank you.
Now you can go na.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sports ending.
Thank you. Bye.
Now we can do our first game because tomorrow, guys.
Meron pa? No more? Good? Okay.
Coach, yeah, Coach, also said this game for USD, but for you, what does this kind of victory mean for USD? You know, a championship has been starting out a tough triple overtime win against a team, which kind of surprised everyone with their
It's a character win for us. There's a saying, no great sailor will sail smooth seas. So the team will have to go through this to experience this journey, and hopefully this makes us a better team and a stronger team with the experience that we had tonight.
Coach, Nick Collins Ford did their thing, but ultimately the X factor was Gerald Crisostomo. Can you talk about yung rise niya for us over the past seasons and gano'ng kalaking tulong na lang siya in this window?
Yeah, if you can take a look at the growth of Jello from last year, even from his first year, so you can see his gradual growth. So he's been a very big key for us this season, playing a lot of minutes, does a lot of things on the floor. He can still improve his shooting, what he's shown in the preseason. Definitely much better than what he's been showing this season. So we're just waiting for Jello to have that breakout game and to continue that whatever it is that he contributes to us.
Coach, from a coaching staff's perspective, how did Forsky handle his emotions before his games against as Venture? Coming to for him might have been emotional for him, but from the coach's standpoint, paano niya na-handle yun?
I wouldn't know how he handled it. You should have asked Forsky.
Alright, congratulations, Coach. Thank you.
All right, thank you everyone.